Hey, what's up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome back to Market Misfits. So we're going to be taking a look. XRP ETF now is trending on Twitter. So just wanted to highlight that real quick. We're going to take a look at the Bitcoin chart, and then we're going to take a look at this article and the XRP chart. So let's get into it. It's a pretty cool picture right here like this. See what they have to say. So this is about the burn mechanism for XRP. All-time XRP burn crosses 12,000 or sorry, 12 million tokens. XRP up 5.81%. So we've recently just broke a consolidation period. Looks like an accumulation period is over. We have a break of structure of that. We're going to be taking a look at that. Let's get into this article, then we'll look at the charts. So data shows cumulative amount of XRP burned by XRP ledger has crossed 12 million units. According to statistics from XRP Scan, a leading blockchain explorer service for the XRPL, the 12 million has been burned off XRP's 10 or 100 billion max total at the time of reporting. Still, there's obviously a big, ginormous gap here between these two numbers. Panos Macros, co-founder of Andos Finance, called attention to this development in a recent statement on X, citing data burn from Burn Tracker IO. Macros informed the XRP community that the total incinerated XRP tokens have now exceeded 12 million. So breakdown of the figure. At the time of Macros' disclosure, the total was 12 million. However, per Burn Tracker's IO estimate, the time of reporting, the Burn XRP assets have risen to 12 million. This seems like the same number to me, pretty much, not much difference. So this signifies that additional 2,771 XRP tokens have been incinerated under 24 hours. These are microscopic numbers, but we're covering this because we saw this pop up before, and you don't ever know. They could come out with something else to help burn some of that stuff, burn some of the XRP that's out there circulating, and then some of the XRP that's in escrow. So we'll have to see what happens here. But based on XRP's market value, approximately 60 cents, the burned assets wield a monetary value of at least 7,203,476. Within the 12 million tokens eliminated, XRP circulating supply is now 52,210,437,480. And emphatically, the wiped tokens account for just 0.02% of XRP's circulating supply and 0.012% of the total max remaining supply. So, excuse me, that's actually more than what I thought it would be percentage-wise, but let's keep on reading here. Also, the recent data reveals that the 299 XRP was burned in the last hour, so 10,121 tokens over the past day and 72,926 in the past week. Additionally, 276,928 XRP tokens has been burned since December 10th, and the cumulative figure since last year stands at 1,318,819 XRP. Furthermore, Burn Tracker IO statistics indicate that XRP's burn rate has shown a consistent upward trend for several months. So this is what I'm talking about. So this could develop into something, despite its not small beginnings. However, a more pronounced uptrend became evident in the final days of December 2023. This surge was mainly attributed to the rise of spam transactions on XRPL during the frenzy for its inscription on the network. So there's a lot of speculation going on out here, about the XRP ETF. Now this is resurfacing again, is it going to have some impact? Is this leading somewhere? Let me know what you think in the comments. XRP burn mechanism. Notably, the XRP burn mechanism seeks to destroy a small fraction of XRP through transaction fees and measure designs to deter the network spam. The burn rate is linked to the quantity of transactions set at 10 drops per transaction, considering that one XRP is equivalent to 1 million drops. This translates to a burn rate of 0.00001 XRP per transaction. Due to the minimal transaction costs, the depletion of the entire XRP supply could extend over several years. At this time of reporting, XRP trades at That's trades at $6 with a 5.8% gain over the, so this is a miss. I'm pretty sure I'm not reading that wrong. 6.004. Then there's a comma. So that comma is not for a number. There's no numbers over here. It's a pause in the sentence. But I've noticed a couple of typos in here as we've been reading through these. But let's get on and look at the charts enough of this. So we posted this in the group. This is Bitcoin, obviously. We've been in this upward rising channel. So on the bigger picture, we have left in accumulation phase here as well. So let's take this and we'll stretch it over here. Okay, so we got this, and so this would be a reaccumulation. So we've broken up out of here. You notice as we continued on going here, we had a miss of support right here that led to this. So the fact that we're missing this supporting trend right here, this is typical. And so is this. Yeah, so not financial advice, but I remember specifically when Chronos did this, when they had a major development, watching a rising channel and this miss right here. If we exit out of here, if we break this and we get retest on structure, rejection, and continuation past 50,000 and is set on the hour, then it could mean business. The Bitcoin ETF is set to start trading here within the hour. So a little less than an hour. We also have broken our 46,750 mark here on the weekly. So this is a weekly resistance point right here, this dotted line. We have broken that. So let's not forget about that as well. And then let's not also forget that we have this scenario we've been looking at too. So we go up to 50, boom, pull a whoop-de-doo and shoot down, maybe go into some kind of accumulation down here, maybe down lower, and then break out of that. So we're just got to see what happens here on the Bitcoin chart. Looks like we're getting some retracement right here. We got some gaps left behind by the market. This area is filled with liquidity with people going long right now. I can tell you that for sure. So we got this support rejection at the center of the channel. Typical. I wouldn't doubt to see this push down and wipe out some liquidity if we are going to move up. Let's take a look at XRP. We also have inflation data coming in. So it would be interesting to see how that works out, how that checks out here. So we broke here, find the right chart. So here we go. Here's the chart. We just dropped this in the market misfits. You guys, if you need a place to go or want a place to go to be caught up on the latest of what's happening in the crypto market and education. So we're dropping as much as we can in this group for free. No costs, no gimmicks, no pitching, none of that stuff. We just want to have a place where people can go and stay caught up, because not everyone has all day to go looking at crypto news, but we do. So, or not all day just for looking at news, but we're trading, so we are holding long positions right now. Still, we hit our first target, and we're going to see where it goes from here, but we have broken out of this consolidation. So this is the type of market structure, and it coincides with the market cycle we are trading in conjunction with the Wyckoff method. So this is our sign of strength. So what you want to see typically, this is an accumulation period where traders and investors will build their positions, buying the bottoms. Typically, usually we'll see some kind of downward hint that the cycle is over to collect liquidity, and that's called a spring. But we did not get a spring. Instead, we got a spring up here. And we're going to swipe back down and go, or we just closing up these fair value gaps over here on the hour. Left some pretty giant ones from that fall. We're just going to have to wait and see, you guys. But I wanted to get on here and just go over this real quick, because, there's no telling what's going to happen here when the New York opens. So, just protect your profits. If you're in the profit, and if you have any questions, just reach out and holler. If you want to get into the market misfits, just check out the description. If you're seeing this on YouTube and on Facebook, come to our Facebook page, Trading Success Forex, and you will see all the links that you need in the comments when we post this here. So that's going to do it for now, you guys. We'll keep you up to date best we can. Hope you are having a good one. We'll holler at y'all later. See ya.